YouTube, I'm on the phone with temple92, and hold on. And can you tell YouTube what we're doing today?
First of all, PC900V unboxing and testing.
Yep. So here we go. This is I got it today. Oh, it already opened.
Did I say PC900V?
Yeah.
I meant P900. I'm sorry, everyone.
Here, let me turn up the volume. I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, we're back. Alright, so let's get the alarm out. The box is kind of hard doing it. The battery. And I've already unboxed it before, so it doesn't really matter. It's already plugged in. See, LED. It flashes. Not really the same thing as you get in a First Alert box, but this is really, really thin. It actually says on the box it's the designer style. It's a smoke and fire alarm, and it's a photoelectric sensor. So if we're gonna take off the bracket, it takes a 9-volt battery. Easy. See, First Alert P900. Jesse has the P900V, PC900V, right?
Yep. And just so you guys know, he got the P900 there at Sears.
Yep, at Sears today. It's kind of dirty for some
and
reason.
they actually have the PC900V as well.
Yeah, but it was like $25, so I wasn't able. But I'll probably get it next time. All right, so here we go. Here's the testing. Hold on, the button's kind of hard to push. Alright, you can easily see the photoelectric sensor. It's regular, it was like $15 at Sears. It was an easy smoke alarm, so. Dan, didn't you used to have one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but his broke.
The button got busted. Here, I'll show you it.
Okay, he's gonna go show us. Pause the video. Here we go. We're back. Oh, so you actually have the that's the bracket?
No, actually, it was just like dead, so I opened it up.
Oh.
And the horn, it didn't come out. I pushed the tabs that hold the horn in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yep. How much was yours?
Oh, I forgot. I got my P1000 with this.
Oh, you did?
Right? That's actually the spot where the LED escape light would go.
Oh, yeah, because at first I made another one with the escape light. But of course, they weren't selling them there.
Giovanni at 2007 has one.
Yep.
He got a video called Sit and Test Big. He tests some of his fire alarms. His one ring smoking seal and his P900E, and the escape light lights up white.
Yep. Yep, you can also check out First Alert's video on that at First Alert Store.
.com.
Yep.
For more info or to purchase the product or to purchase the detector, visit www.firstalertstore.com.
Yep. All right, like, comment, subscribe to both of us, and have a good day.